adventurers, it's Adventure Shmoo, and I thought it would be fun to make some slime today. What do we need? Of course, slime mix. And a bowl, of course. To get the spoon. Now we've got all our ingredients. We can finally start making. Let's open this box.
Looks like some
Elmer's glue, glow in the dark glue, I don't know, and some butter slime activator.
ingredients. Check. Step 1. Pour Elmer's glue into a bowl. Then shake your Elmer's activator. Step 2. Add 3 teaspoons of Elmer's butter slime activator and mix well. Then, if needed, add a little bit at a time. Step 3. Stir in the butter activator until it becomes harder to mix and slime begins to form. Ooh, exciting. 4. Take the slime out and begin kneading with both your hands. If needed, add a little activator and to get the desired feeling. Can't wait!
Time to pour the glue in. It's glowing that too.
Oh, that's so cool. Okay, don't put too much. A bit more.
You put all of it.
See?
Yeah. Now the glue's in. Time to put the activator.
Ooh, it looks so green. Look, you can see inside it.
Oh, shake it up. Oh. Now for 3 teaspoons of activator. If I can take this thing off. Okay, just can't. I'm not gonna do it. You're meant to do 3
You meant to do 3 teaspoons?
I know.
Okay, keep on going.
You're meant to do 3 teaspoons, but we can get all of it out. So we're just gonna do
this there, and then there's like, wait, where's the bottom? Wait, there. There's like all of this in there still.
Yeah. Oh my gosh,
that
what's that?
Okay, keep on going.
So we're just gonna put 2 because we
What is
can't
that?
get all of it out.
Yep.
Okay, so here we go. My gosh, like none's coming out.
You were saying? You need more than that. That's not a teaspoon. Put more in. It looks like yogurt.
He looks like off yogurt.
So I have decided to come and join you, adventurers. Come and have a look. I'm stirring it now. Oh, it's so sticky. Yeah! Hey, it's already kind of working.
Oh my gosh. You need to mix that a lot.
You think we need more activator?
Maybe a little bit, yeah. Just a little bit. Gosh.
That wasn't really a little bit.
No, it really wasn't. I hope this video isn't too boring for you. This was meant to be my first, just my video, by the way.
Sorry.
Ruined it.
Yeah, but you kind of need someone to film for you.
Yeah, but they're not in the video.
Okay, here, you can stand there.
Okay. So, this is our slime. So buttery. Now, this isn't, you don't have to do this, but we're going to decorate it with some glitter. Glitter. Okay.
Oh, you got to sprinkle it around.
Yeah.
That was a lot. Adventurers. Oh, that looks so good.
Now let's squish it in. Oh my gosh, look at it there. It's turning it
Don't twist it. Oh, that was bad filming. Sorry, adventurers. That was really terrible filming.
Look, there's a bubble. Pop, pop.
Oh, that's sound.
That's so satisfying. Okay, now all the glitter's in here.
Oh. Maybe put a little bit more in somewhere else.
Yeah, I'll put some over here. And I wasn't gonna put too much in.
Okay. Adventure Shmoo, can I feel?
No, it's mine!
Hey, Adventure Shmoo, can I feel?
No, it's mine!
Psycho, 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 run! Run! Fast!
I'm gonna go get ratings from Adventure Mum for this slime and from my brother Garry. Well, me and Adventure Tilt's brother Garry that we never told you about. He was in Canada. No, America. No, oh yeah, Canada. Yeah, okay. Hi, Adventure Mum.
Hi, Adventure Shmoo.
How would you rate our slime?
You have to feel it. You have to feel it.
I don't like feeling slime. But I must say that's pretty good. It feels a little bit sticky, a bit fresh, but doesn't leave any sticky residue on my hands, so that's good. And I guess it's quite easy to shape into poos and various other things. So I guess 9 out of 10.
Woo! It was a rating out of 5, so thanks.
Oh,
Thanks, yeah,
9 out of 5.
Thanks. We're going to see Brother Garry. Bruh.
Hey, I'm Garry. That book sucked anyway. What are you doing in here, sis? You're so lame.
Do you want to rate me and Adventure Tilt's slime or what?
Oh my god, fine. Okay, the slime is kind of good. Like, it has good, sliminess, I guess. And it's really yellow. I wonder why it's yellow. Okay, it's time for one of my rants.
Oh no.
Hey, I'm Garry, and I'm Adventure Shmoo and Adventure Tilt's big bro. Hey, and I really love your slime. Oh! Oh! Burn! Yeah! Oh, here's a lame slime.
Bye. Hi. Bye. Bye, adventurers. Now it's time for you to go on a slime adventure.
In other words, it's bye, adventurers. Now it's your turn to go on an adventure.
Slime mix. Let's just go because I get the spoon. Can't forget the spoon.
Rip!
Okay.
What happened to your voice? Oh my gosh!
Are you filming?
Yeah.
Okay, so you're meant to do 3. I just bring me to the iPad. This is what our slime looks like. Nice, buttery, but it doesn't taste like nice. So next step, we're gonna decorate it with dazzly.
Adventure Shmoo says bye, by the way.
So does Garry.